mieti juomista niinku. Ei, en mieti huomista kun tarttu tuopista niinku. Ei, on olla sekaisin ja vapaa huolista niinku. Ei, ja mä jatkan kunnes en enää pysy tuolissa niinku. Nyt lähden tanssimaan niinku cha-cha-cha. Enkä pelkääkään tätä maailmaa. Niinku cha-cha-cha. Kun mä kaadan päälleni champagnea. Cha-cha-cha. Toinen silmä jo karsastaa. Ja puhe samalta, kun tää toinen puoli must vallan saa. Cha-cha-cha. En oo arkena tää mies laisinkaan. En oo, mut tänään on se mies, tänään on se mies. Hei, nyt lähden tanssimaan niinku cha-cha-cha. Enkä pelkääkään tätä maailmaa. Niinku cha-cha-cha. Kun mä kaadan päälleni champagnea. Niinku cha-cha-cha. Niinku cha-cha-cha.
I'm in traffic, my car is supersonic.
Why you driving like a manic? It brings me lot of panic.
Got a bad habit, I'm a speeding addict.
My car is automatic, I don't want to crash it. Hey yo, digitää mun seiko. Kuski jo savua ja kone leipoo. Hey yo, miks tää jono seisoo? Voi kettu kuinka ketuttaa tää kettu, mä en fucking traffic! Fakilla räpänä kolmion takamua kylkeen risteyksessä. Pitäis ottaa korttia kilvet, tekstas palaa hermot nakit.
Politie wil me pakken en klemmen, maar ik ben smarter en clever. Remsporen darker than ever, al mijn fucks in een emmer. Bucket.
Hey yo, digitää mun seiko. Kuski jo savua ja kone leipoo. Hey yo, miks tää jono seisoo? Voi kettu kuinka ketuttaa tää kettu, mä en fucking traffic!
Who the fuck is Mr. Klein?
Geen rijbewijs, ben eigenwijs. Waggie vol met dynamite. Soms lijkt het fijn om rijk te zijn, maar dat lijkt fijn te zijn. Boom, boom, met je ouders, baby, boom. Geen meetings meer op Zoom, maar mijn waggie die gaat vroom.
I don't understand Dutch, but I love this shit.
Europapa, Europapa. What's up, chats? Europapa. Okay, let's pause this. Let's put some chill music. Okay, let's do a little sound test. Hello, hello, everyone. Hello, hello, hello. Oh, why is my phone emitting sounds? Okay, there you go. Hello, everyone. How are you? So I hope the sound is not too bad because I'm in a new room, obviously, and it kind of echoes. So it's one thing I should probably do is up the font size to like 20. Yeah, that's better. Okay. Well, welcome, chats. Today we'll be doing some XAudio2 programming. Actually, I have the to-do here, and we should also maybe do Steamworks. Set of Steamworks, because that'll be pretty cool. Yeah, pretty much. So thankfully, for Steamworks, we already have white noise for that. That's right here. And we can just yoink, yoink. And also, wait, no. There you go. Yoink. Put that shit here. It's just lib and include, okay. Dude, I love XMake so much. This build system is so fire. Gosh, I need a new chair, low-key. The one I have with the room is low-key so bad. Like, genuinely. Yeah, I hope y'all are doing well. Well and good. I definitely am. Very nice to be here. In this new dorm that is completely empty because I'm the only one. Steam API 64.lib. Let me make that public too. There you go. Now I can just do Steam and I'm good. Let's maybe put that on shuffle. I'm using a thing called XMake. That's pretty nice. So for instance, you can add the different rules for your solution. So debug, release debug. Languages, run dir, input static, header only, whatever. Just add your things and you can do like stuff depending on the mode, specific callbacks during the compiler process, and then for dependencies, what I do is I have all my dependencies here, and then I make specific ones or build them if needed. Yeah, not only that, but I think it also has a package manager, like an actual package manager like Rust. So that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Wait, how is it again? I think it's like app ID or something. Steam app ID, right? It's 484 Space War. As for this, I don't remember the specifics, so I will just completely steal what I did. Shouldn't be too hard. Yeah, it's just that. Okay. Should be just that, yeah. It's X. Steam error message, up message. Oh, okay, yeah. Don't need that. Just like this, and one thing I'm going to do is I'm going to include endgame. If it would please. I hate when internet takes like 10 years to just load, dude, that's crazy. Equals false, and we just return. Easy. And now in game. Yeah, and here we'll do our little Steam mix. Yeah, I should probably show you guys how's the state of the projects. But basically, what the fuck is that? There you go. So we got a few render modes. I have a ground truth path tracer that's in the works. It's not too good right now, and it's probably going to nuke my bit rates. Yeah, it totally is. But yeah, once we have accumulation, it'll be better. Maybe we can do that actually, like do accumulation on the path tracer. Skybox, you know, we have ray trace shadows for funsies because I think it's fun. And just a flat renderer for utility. So not too much stuff. I mostly was focusing a bit of on graphics just for funsies. We don't have any levels so far. We don't have anything, but we'll have at some point. Yeah. Also, the shadows are like inline traced, so I can't actually do any intersection. I mean, any any transparency checks, which kind of sucks balls, but it's okay. But yes, we have hardware ray trace shadows. Well, hard shadows, not soft shadows. It's pretty cool. So, I reckon we commit that first. And we'll probably switch to YouTube for music, I reckon. Dude, oh my god, this was such a fucking banger. We'll do... I don't fucking know, dude. Nintendo Chill Mix. Let's get the MC8, guys. With rain, maybe? Rain. Sure. Chill. There you go. Anyway. Alrighty, yo, and now time to do some audio. I've said I wanted to use XAudio2 for the simple reason that I think it's fucking funny and pretty cool. But yeah, you know, it might change in the future if it gets really too annoying. Yeah. I reckon this should be enough just to link. Yeah, okay. So let's set this up. Let me just take a look at the documentation. XAudio2. Why? I want it in English, please. English. There you go. Audiograph sounds fucking fun. But that's, you know, not yet. Gotta lock in. Compressed audio support. ADPCM. Fuck is ADPCM? In telephony. Okay. Is that used for like actual game? Is used in games. Well, we'll see. Multi-rate processing. Non-blocking API model. Nice. Alright, getting started. Initialize. Okay, well, why do I need to initialize combo? Windows. What is this? Wow, this makes no sense to me at all. How fun. I mean, I guess I'll call it, but like, okay. What's up, Voodoo? How are we doing, Voodoo? Real-time rendering? I know, right? It's fucking fire, dude. I love it. It's also really good, and I haven't been using it enough, low-key. Pretty critical, by the way. And this should just be ctx.device release. Indeed, a real-time rendering Bible for realsies. I had it on my shelf, and I might use it for some path tracing stuff, low-key. I don't even know what I say low-key. I don't even know what it fucking means. Because low-key type shit low-key. Kill myself. Yeah. The Gen Z lingo keeps following me around, guys. I can't help it. It's getting bad. Alright, let's see if I crash and explode. Nope, I'm not crashing or exploding. How nice. Anyway, then mastering voice. Okay, so it's basically the device. Huh. Okay, so what I reckon we do. Right, because I don't have, because my PC is in Icelandic because I'm very smart. Because I wanted to learn Icelandic, so yeah, it's Malun. Great. Okay, so let's do the pirate software setup. Obviously, we have to. So what I'm thinking is that we decompose every source of audio in the game into 3 categories. We'll have sound effects, music, voices. What else could we add? UI maybe? Right? And all of these will have their own voices. So V1, V2, V3, V4. And those voices will all go into the mastering voice. So we'll have S1, M1, V1, UI1 that will go here, 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 right? And then it all goes back to the mastering voice, which just goes to the driver. Very bad drawing of a of a speaker. It's okay, guys. But yeah, that's for the setup I was thinking. Yeah, I mentioned. Yeah, I worked at Blizzard for 6 years and I quit because I hate it. Speaking of jobs, I'm starting my job at Ubisoft tomorrow. Like literally tomorrow. I start at like 9:30 a.m. And I am very excited. Very, very excited. It's going to be sick. Very, very excited. I'm sure it's gonna be okay though. Surely they're not gonna kill me or something, and then hide my body in their basement where Rayman, rabbits, and all their game lies. Do you fucking remember that like that one Ubisoft cartoon where like Rayman is an alcoholic? I was that was so fucking funny, dude. I was dying of laughter, genuinely. Yeah, I think it's like they made a cartoon where Rayman is like drugged and alcoholic. Yeah, there you go. Hold on. Pause that.
They cut me out. Well, this red asshole. They cut me out. Well, this red asshole is being a species prick.
Come on, Rayman. You know you can't have that kind of language on television. Think about the children.
Oh, believe me, I think about the children all the time. I think about hybrid kids. I think about people like me.
And we are grateful for that, but maybe you need a vacation.
What are you doing to me? Like, are you firing me? You can't fire me. I'm the voice of Eden.
Rayman, you're drunk.
Damn right I'm drunk. And you know what? You're right. I need a vacation. Let's see how you handle the Rayman news without fucking Rayman.
Yeah, so Rayman's an alcoholic.
Board of directors my ass.
That is so fucking funny, dude. Rayman being an alcoholic was not on my bingo card. What other settings can I put? Oh yeah, there you go. This is settings. So input channels 2, input sample rates 48 value. We should probably make these constants. Did he not? Rayman games. I mean, he got a Rayman Mini, I guess. Surely. Wait, fucking pasta games? That's where, fuck, who was it again? I forgot who worked there. Oh yeah, Jérémy Roux. The guy working at Guerrilla now. I remember now. What even goes in there, dude? I wonder if I can like actually put any flags at all. I'm curious now. Effects chain, audio stream category. What is that? Effect chain. Oh, you can put effects on the mastering voice? Legends was pretty good, come on. Legends was pretty good. I liked Legends. When I played it on my Wii U when I was a little child. I don't know. Oh, a destroy voice. Whoops. I don't have my fucking Wii U, dude. Who remembers the fucking Wii U? One hell of a whatever. Of a game, yeah. Or a console. That console was insane. That sure is one hell of worlds, but how do you destroy it? Well, I guess you don't need to do call like the start engine or whatever. Classes, interfaces. There you go. XAudio2. It's mastering words I'm looking for. Or is it this? Yeah, I think it's this. Right. Mm-hmm. Okay. Well, in that case, this should also work. Never mind. What the fuck? Oh yeah, cause I. Whoops, my bad, gang. Yep, audio still works, no problem. Cool. Alright, so, what I'm thinking for, well, I don't even know what I could use as a file format. Actually, no, can I just ChatGPT it? What was my question again? It was, can you list me different types of audio files? Yeah, used for games. Yeah, probably. Well, to be fair, it was like it's fine. There's nothing really bad here. Like it's like full name of Jesus, whatever stuff, except this. But like it was for friends, so like. But yes, true. Nothing too embarrassing here. We're goods. Mine's much worse. God. Yeah, I mean, AI can really be a lifesaver sometimes, eh? Yeah. I guess we'll just go with MP3 then. MP3 decoder C++. Mini MP3. Wow, this looks miserable. There you go. That's better. FLAC, MP3 and WAV, that's exactly what I need. Oh, holy based. Download, give me that. Thank you. Give me the license too. And yoink. And this should be pretty similar. Anyway. Libs.c. Then it should be something like there you go, Dr. Flag implementation. So include Dr. Flag, Dr. MP3, Dr. Wave. There you go. Just like that, and again, just do Dr. Libs, X make initiate compile, no problem. Yep, there you go, compiled. How wonderful. Okay, so I think what we're gonna do for now is handle just like loading the entire thing into memory and just, you know, that's it. And once we have an actual streaming system, we can work on that as well. In my opinion. So yeah, let's start with just reading the sound buffer. With that, we need music. And I think for music, we should put a very, you know what? We're putting this. Yeah, this is glorious. Give me the audio. And we're gonna test in both. We're gonna test. Give me MP3. We'll do MP3 and wave. That's MP3. Now do wave, please. And we won't test FLAC yet, but we'll test at some point. Alright, there you go. So we'll rename them to, wait, so this will be tests MP3. This will be test wave. There you go. Copy that. Dev noise. Game data. We'll call it BGM. Then we'll do MP3 to FLAC. Yoink. Convert. Hopefully a porn ad is not gonna open. That will be... I think the site is pretty safe though. I wouldn't know. 32 megabytes! Sweet Jesus of God. Well, thank fuck for GetLFS. Oh my god. Am I right, guys? Jesus. Alright. So, asset system. So audio, I think we'll do structs, file, we'll do audio file. Full audio asset, and then we'll have something like streamed audio asset or whatever, right? So I think I'll just have channels, sample rates, and a vector of samples. And we'll, we should probably make it S16, I reckon. Yeah, samples. This should be enough, right? I think. Let's see what it actually needs, because thankfully we can. Guess what needs channels, samples per second, that's sample rates. Bits per sample, that's just 16. Okay, well, we should be good. I hope. But yes, this should be good. Submit source buffer. Okay. All right. Well, let's do it. So we'll do. Alright, how do you use Dr. Flack? I look at the samples. Then you read the frames. Nice. Okay, sure. Sure, we can do that. So I think what we can do is something hideous like this, you know. So like this. And then we'll do and resize we'll do FLAC total PCM frame count times FLAC channels, and this says we already have it. And then I think we'll just do Dr. FLAC read PCM frames S16 FLAC total PCM frame count, and we just do assets dot samples dot data. Of course, asset dot channels goes FLAC channels, and assets dot sample rate goes FLAC sample rates. And that should honestly be it. And I think, do we have to free it or something? I took to FLAC free. Cause like this is a malloc 100%. Or is it Dr. FLAC close? Yes. Like this. I do this, wait, so this is FLAC. Then we should do wave, so Dr. wave. Wave open file, dude, just open. Oh, it's in its file, okay. Yeah, because you know we gotta stay consistent in its or it's like this. File name is just .cstr, and this we don't care. Right, asset.channels equals FLAC channels. Wait, that's wave channels. Sample rates equals wave.sample rates. Then we do Dr. Wave read PCM frames. Wait, I'm done. Ugh. Yo, what do you do with it then? Like, how do you close it? Wait, why am I asking? Like, okay, it's uninit. Yeah, because, guys, we love keeping conventions between libraries. It's so nice. Fucking hell. The sneeze scared you? Damn, that's crazy. Ah, you're back. And for MP3, I don't really know how it's going to be, but let's pray for the best. Init file. Okay, it's similar. I'm a shapeshifter at both masquerade, hiding both face and mouth, all free for you to draw. There you go, just like that. I'm a shapeshifter, straight up to my core. Please don't take up my mask, revealing dark. So now what we can do is struct audio source, audio buffer, I guess, because then we can spatialize it another way. But yeah, I kind of forgot how to spatialize with XAudio2, but I guess we'll figure it out at some point. Come on, IntelliSense, get your head back in the fucking game, please. Jesus. Like, surely it can't be this hard to just fucking parse the thing. Like, oh my god. Okay. Well, it's really cool, Minecraft like very cozy, very chill, raspberry favorite, highly recommend. Game can simulate spotting of voice in 60 milliseconds, you can IntelliSense need 10 seconds to start working. Genuinely. Ooh. Ooh. Ah, copper tools. Fuck yeah. Wow, that's fucking cool. No stone tools? Why? Okay. Okay, new tools. New biomes is cool. New or ooh. Well, if you want, I can definitely play that on stream at some point, because that sounds really fucking cool. I'm definitely down. Sea Lion is now free for non-commercial projects. It's way better. Yeah, but I'm making commercial projects. So, you know, kind of rough. Otherwise, it would be like, yeah, sure, definitely. Right, what the fuck am I doing here? Should be audio CTX. Plugin for VSC for shader code highlighting. Yep, there is. So for instance, I don't know. Yeah, it's highlighted. I got some utilities. It's not super good, but it's pretty good. What flags can it even take? Must be 0, never mind. Okay. Operation sets. I guess commit now. Yeah, what's nice with my build system is that I can actually generate Visual Studio solutions. But I rarely use it unless I'm actually like, debugging. Here, create a source voice. I can submit a source buffer. Here, just do audio, voice. Submit source buffer. Right, maybe I should also actually make the buffer. That's cringe. Yep, that is cringe. Okay. Okie dokie, that's cringe. Well, I guess we're not gonna do looping yet. Or I guess the way we can do looping is that we just go back to the beginning of the file. It's like manual looping. Cause yeah, like I'm not gonna do that, bro. I'm not gonna do that. Audio buffer size in bytes. So this should be assets channels times size of I16 times assets samples dot size. Buffered p audio data should be assets samples dot data. Buffer dot play begin equals 0. Buffer dot play length equals 0. Buffer begin equals 0. Like this. Right, and this should be good though. And I guess we'll just emulate the looping behavior with like audio system update or whatever. Since we'll do auto streaming anyway. Well, time to test it out, guys. Time to test it out. Test audio. And let's pause for this. So, full audio assets. I should also make a audio voice. IntelliSense, please. Oh, Jesus. Swear to God. I'm actually going to crash out. Game data, BGM tests dot wave. Audio voice init full. So this should be game. Wait, what did I call it? Yeah, state voice asset. Alright, and what I want to do here, I'll just do if input is key pressed, SL key space, we'll do a very simple audio voice play. Okay, we'll do escape as well. We'll do stop. Alright guys, so remember, when you do audio tests, you always do this. Always. Okay. Well, okay, that's good to know. So why is my question now? Well, I guess we'll check it out in the debugger. Euro, top. Hopefully my PC is not going to explode, because I have everything open at the same time. Alright, well, again, let's check it out. Let's put this to 5. Wow, okay, so XAudio is crashing. That's crazy. I guess one thing we can try and do is go here and just inspect ourselves. Right, I mean release. I'm dumb. Debug. Okay, so audio bytes, 2 samples, yeah. Yeah. So far so good. Yeah. Wait, what the fuck am I doing? What is this? Like I just copy pasted without thinking this shouldn't be right, like flags. Yeah, we don't care about that. Remove this, please. Load this back in. Let's try again. Well, I'm pressing space, it's not doing anything, so you know, I guess. Oh. And this is why, yeah, this is definitely why you lower the sound. Guys, that doesn't seem really good. Maybe it's because I shouldn't be interpreting this. I mean, I don't know. It's I16, right? Yeah, wow, dude, this is... Yeah, nice, I know, right? Nice. Nice too. Okay, let's see. You know what? Let's vibe code this. Yeah, shots. Do you think there's anything wrong with this? Oh, really? Well, still it's crashing, which is kind of weird, but... True, I did not... Wait, no, play length, did not think of that. Indeed. Yeah, because I'm streaming it, I'm fucking dumb. Right, and why am I doing this too? Okay, let's try now. Alright guys, let's get ready for a tune. Okay, please work. Fuck, dude, why? Why? Right, I am failing the check. I'm dumb. If failed results. I am in error. Why? Right. So here, error, I'm guessing. Okay, no error. It's still, well, it's not supposed to do that. Oh wait, I need to initialize com. That's okay. That's AIDS. That is definitely AIDS. Okay, it's fine. Fuck this. Well, to be fair, it wasn't the docs. Like, okay, you know what? I will take the blame. I will take the blame, guys. It wasn't the fucking docs. Right, and here is it uninitialize. Yeah, there you go. Let's try again. Error. Right. And that's in Ole. Whoops. I'll just regenerate the solution as well. Alright. Failed to initialize com bullshit. How nice. How amazing. Com fails to initialize. How does co-initialize fucking fail, dude? That's crazy. Win 32 moments? Like, is this even fucking needed? I'll just make this a warn. But like, what? I'm so confused. Release DBG. You spelled the fucking thing, dude. Okay. Load it up. Okay. Right. What a banger, guys. Whoa. This is a real beat, guys. Wait, I guess the loading must be wrong then. The loading must be wrong. Or let me test the MP3. Put that shit on SoundCloud. Yeah. What about this? Okay, crashes. Great. That's cool. Whoa, that is what the fuck? That is definitely not the right amount of samples. Yeah. What the sigma? How do you get a sample count with this shit? Well, again, how do I get the total sample counts using Dr. MP3? Whilst he's thinking, I guess we'll just try FLAC as well. Might as well try everything, because I'm kinda dude, this is rough. What about this? Okay. Crashes. Great. That's cool. Well, it's like, dude, is it gonna give me any errors at all? Cause like, right. Okay. Right. Well, that fixes one of my problems. This is very stupid though. Well, let's try MP3, I guess. This MP3 Segfault driven development, of course, man. Obviously. Right. Space. Again. Let's try again. Yeah, okay, so there has to be something wrong with this. I'm not sure what though. Like I create the source voice. Yeah. There has to be something. XAudio2 example. C demo of XAudio2. Well, this is very ugly. Right. Here he reads all the stuff. Right. This doesn't help me at all. Well, ChatGPT it is. You notice I'm doing I reckon and adding more text is just because I want to bankrupt OpenAI. And I wouldn't like 100% copy this. Appreciate it. On some nonchalant shit. Appreciate it. Oh yeah. That's not That's not how it works, my man. I appreciate this though. Ah, dude. Audio programming is miserable. This is why I don't do it. Like, Jesus. Oh, dude, like, why does it crash? And it's not even saying anything. Like, what? Also, no, I do not want to update Visual Studio. I am not stupid. I know what will happen. What if I just... Yep. I don't even know. So he starts the thing. Like, huh? Like, surely there must be something that I'm doing wrong, because, like, this is, like, what? Why? And so it's not even crashing, it's just hates me for some reason. Co-initialize still doesn't like me for some reason, which I do not understand. Are you telling me I have to call this a, like, wait. Oh, I hate Microsoft, I hate Microsoft, I hate Microsoft, I hate Microsoft. Oh. If this is the reason, please, please do not be the reason. I will actually crash out. Okay, thank fuck. Thank fuck that's not the reason. I was about to absolutely die. Wait, never mind. Should be like this. Yeah, thank God it doesn't work, dude. Okay, well it's... Yep, okay. Okay, my guess is that it's something here. It has to be this. Like, surely. Do I have any projects where I did XAudio? Surely I do. I must have one somewhere. I have so many projects. Surely I have one. I think... I had this project called Backrooms. I don't know if I still have it though. Dorm Wi-Fi is going hard right now. Wow, yeah, dorm Wi-Fi is going crazy, guys. Take your time, GitHub, take your time. Whenever you want. I swear to God, I'm not stopping the stream until I get this fucking audio. Dude, move it. What the fuck? GitHub, please. Like, hello? Well, there you go. Well, I guess I didn't. Hello, Mickey Maven. Like, I swear to God, I remember I made a project with XAudio. I just don't remember which one. Was it this, maybe? No, I didn't have any audio in this. Was not this, was not... Dude, what was it then? Here's mini audio and voyage. Well, I guess I don't know. I might have deleted it honestly, which is very possible. XAudio2 example. With Dr. Wave. Voice callback is whatever. Dude, why is this so ugly? And why is it in Chinese? And why is this hard-coded? Surely there must be a better way to do that. Surely. People come and they go. Maybe I'll get an actual error from com. Nope. Okay. Doesn't want to. That's great. Ah, dude, I lock in, guys. Lock in. What does this even mean? I wonder. Or whatever. Well, there you go, that's the problem. Why is block aligned fucking 0? Like, hello? What? 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 Wait a second. Wait, never mind. Okay, Visual Studio is just completely fucking drunk. I forgot about, yeah, my bad. I forgot that Visual Studio is fucking drunk. I'm using DirectX 12, so I can get some ray tracing going on. Still, what the hell? This seems totally right. So this is not the problem then. It's still a, like... So we don't care about submix, we want the source voice. Do I think that DX12 is better than Vulkan? Well, it depends really on the context. Are you doing cross-platform? Then yes, Vulkan is better. Are you doing Windows only? Then yes, DirectX 12 is much better. If you're only targeting Windows, DirectX 12 should be like the instant choice. It's not even close. For the simple reason that we got word graphs first, we got ray tracing first, we got mesh shader first. Meanwhile, well, on Vulkan you have to wait fucking like 1.5 years to get those extensions. Like, we still don't have word graphs in Vulkan because it's up to the vendor to implement them or not. With DirectX 12 you have like immediate support from all vendors. You want to make a game engine in your OS's Windows? Well, do you want to make your engine Windows only? If so, yes, use DirectX 12. It's way better than Vulkan. It's easier to use bindless, and bindless, you will want to use bindless. Bindless is absolutely amazing. It's easier to use, it's easier to manage. you can make it way more low level and add so much nice features like VRS, word graphs, mesh shaders, render passes, barriers. Can add so much stuff. It's so cool, genuinely. The only thing is that the documentation is not too good, but that's honestly about it. Like I've seen better, but it's all right. The comma operator. I have never heard of this in my entire life. This looks terrible. Right, because this is Qt, so he can just use Qt. Are we ever get like a? Can we ever get like an actual example? They are basically the same. No, they are far from the same. They are the same in what they want to achieve, but in API design it is way different. Descriptor management is already like extremely different. Render passes, we don't have that in DirectX 12. What else? Synchronization is way different, because in Vulkan, unless you enable timeline semaphores, your semaphores are only binary. We have timeline semaphores by default with DirectX 12. Multi-queue I think is easier with DirectX 12. So no, they are way more verbose, and that's why I hate it. Descriptor management in Vulkan makes me want to like throw up blood and blow my brains out, genuinely. Bindless in Vulkan is a misery. Like all of these examples are so ugly, dude. Like I'm killing myself over here. Like what? But yes, I think if you're looking for cross-platform, do Vulkan, definitely. Otherwise, just do DirectX 12. Don't even bother with Vulkan. It's not worth it. Oh. Well, maybe we'll have our problem now. Why is my thing fucking empty? Hello? Why is it 0? How do you even learn DirectX 12? You go on the Microsoft official DirectX samples and you go from there. They are very good. Exactly, thank you, cracks. Alright, well, we found our issue. The issue is that for some fucking reason, this is null. Never mind, it's not null. But this is 0. Like, why is it 0? Hello? Cause wait, this is MP3. Let's do wave. Let's do wave. We're debugging this. How hard is it to go from OpenGL to DirectX 12? It's hard. I'll tell you, it's hard. But honestly, it's like going from colon cancer to running around in a field of grass with flowers and puppies. Genuinely. OpenGL is like shooting yourself in the head 10 times in a row and then trying to jerk off with gloves whilst reciting the alphabets in reverse order. And DirectX 12 is just like so fun. OpenGL versus DirectX 12 is like diarrhea for everyone versus everyone gets a puppy. Like, genuinely. Okay, we're not hating on OpenGL here. We are not hating on OpenGL in this chats. Actually, yes, we are, but it's we don't talk about it. I'll take the colon cancer. I am making a horror video game from scratch, Silent Hill style. It's gonna take fucking 10 years, but it's okay. Okay, so we found our issue. And I think I know exactly what's the issue, and if it's I'm actually going to crash out and like explode. So let's see. Do you have the engine? Well, the engine is entirely custom. And it's closed source. Open this nice for sharing, yeah. Any thoughts on NVRHI Diligent Engine? I have not looked into it at all. Oops. Interesting. Wait. Can I show the engine? Sure. Give me, I mean, it's very, very early stage. Just give me 1 second. Do I have maybe any samples or? All right. Yeah, I can show. Sure. There's a lot of AA companies that is using Vulkan like ID software, and I can name you like every other company that uses the 3D12. Kojima Productions, Ubisoft, who else? Nix's Games, Insomniac. Dude, I'll go into my Steam library and tell you. Unreal Engine is the 3D12. Death Stranding the 3D12, Persona 5 is the 3D11. The 3D11. Can I have some modern games maybe? So I can improve my points. The 3D12. The 3D11. The 3D11. The 3D12. The 3D12. The 3D12. And Vulkan. Like, outside of Quantic Dream and ID Software, no one uses Vulkan. Because no one cares to ship on Linux or Mac or whatever. This is the 3D12 as well. The 3D11. RDR2 uses Vulkan and also the 3D12. It's a double backend, you can choose. Yeah, it doesn't work on Mac officially. And yeah, Dota 2 and CS2 also have a Vulkan backends for Linux, obviously because of Proton, but they mostly rely on DiffEd11. Also, Switch supports Vulkan, but if you're gonna ship on Switch, you might as well use MVN. I think that's how their API is called. If Vulkan also works on Windows and can make everything that's the thing, it cannot do everything that DirectX 12 can. It cannot. There's many modern GPU stuff that DirectX 12 has and Vulkan doesn't have yet. For instance, work graphs. Every modern GPU tech, DiffEd12 always gets first, and Vulkan is always lagging behind to get them. Mesh shaders, Vulkan got them later and was only on NVIDIA first. What else? Ray tracing was a DirectX 12 thing first. Yeah, mostly. And another thing to note with those modern graphics APIs, I forgot what I wanted to say, fuck. Right, Vulkan had forced render passes until 2021. Which was, like, it's insane. And that's for a simple reason. Vulkan was designed for mobile. It was designed for mobile. So it's very much lagging behind to get everything. Vulkan is a cool name. Dude, DirectX 12 is a cool ass name as well, in my opinion. And yeah, there's fundamentally like different design decisions between Vulkan and DirectX 12. Mostly descriptor managements. Descriptor management makes me fucking miserable. Genuinely, I hate it so much. Like, you wanna see how DiffEd12 descriptor management works? I'll show you. Where is it? There you go. Create descriptor heap. Allocate, as in, you literally just take an index. Like, you find an index in a free list. Then you free the index, and then when you want to create a shader resource view or whatever, you say create shader resource view with the descriptor, and then you just pass the index, and that's it. And then how do you read that from the shader? Well, since you have bindless, because bindless is like the only way to do modern stuff in ray tracing, you literally just resource descriptor heap and pass the index, which is just an and this. Like, this doesn't exist in Vulkan. Like, this is not a thing in Vulkan. And, like, this is the whole reason why I don't like using Vulkan, because this is not a thing. Bindless in Vulkan makes me miserable. But this is Jesus. This is like the holy see. It's like the second coming of Christ. This is... And genuinely, it's like the reason why I just use this API. It's just so nice. I love it so much. Though there are some things that are kind of bullshit with DirectX 12. Resource barriers are completely cringe, and buffers having states for some reason. Like, I don't really understand. But anyway. Read that shit. Let's debug again, because we're not done debugging errors. Right. Okay, never mind. I know what's... Never mind. Okay, I was about to say I know what's wrong, but never mind. I'm stupid. Okay. Let's see how it is now. Samples. Why is it fucking empty? Why? Why are you empty? You're not supposed to be empty, dog. Like, what? What? Hello? This makes no sense at all. I have to be missing something. Yeah, it reads nothing. That's why it crashes, because it reads fucking nothing. Why though? Why? What is wrong with this thing? Like, hello? Like, surely I gotta be tweaking. So I guess the reading was wrong. So I guess I can just do that. Yeah, I think this is way cooler actually. Hold on. Let me log in. Open the entire fucking thing. Then asset, channels, asset. Right, because it doesn't support it. That's great. Is this? Like this, and then you do doctor of free data. Then I guess you can just assets. You just mem copy that shit. I don't know. Destination. So. Source. Maybe the file is just not good. Let me test something. No, this is definitely right. Never mind. So source is data, and then it's asset channels times sample count times size of I16. Like this, I reckon. Will it work? Let's see. There we go. Now we have an error, like an actual error. Fuck yeah. It's about fucking time. Because here capacity is 0, but question is, why? Game data BGM tests.wave. Like, does it not find it or something? Like, I am so confused. Well, it definitely reads it, so it's not that. But still, like, what? Why? Let me try something. Just for funsies. Like, it finds the file, but it just doesn't read the thing. I don't understand why. Like, there has to be something. There just has to be something. Where have you been? Here path. Let me guess, optimized away and not available. It's like I feel so miserable. The joys of programming. I'm not stopping the stream until this works. I don't care. I don't fucking care. Okay, there you go. Path, extension, sample. Why is this? Like, am I tweaking or something? Like, why? ChatGPT. How to even navigate the DX12 tutorial. Well, okay, hold on, let me just go on OBS and go on the link. Okay, so what you do is you go into samples, desktop, D3D12 hello worlds, and you follow the hello triangle. You just follow this until this, like, you don't worry about VA, like VAs, whatever. You can even look into WordGraphs if you want, but I don't recommend it. Just look into window, triangle, texture, don't care about bundles, constant buffers, and frame buffering, right? And after that, you basically have everything you need. Then you can look into, for instance, ray tracing, you can look into execute indirects, bunch of different things, but the basics is in the hello world. Around the world, what even is there? Oh. True, maybe it's just using F32 and that's why. This could be why actually. Hold on guys, I'm cooking. Where's Audacity? Audacity, help me out here. Right, so now we export audio. Right. Signed 16-bit PCM. Yes, sir. And now you export into dev. Right, exactly. Stereo. And new exports. Now, normally it shouldn't be fucking 0. Please, surely. Oh, what the fuck? What, it's not 0? Wait, was it just that? It might just be that, guys. Call stack. Yes! Okay, we got it. We got it. It was just, it was floating points. That's why. Okay. Thank fuck. I was starting to be so scared, dude. Okay, so now we can just roll back from this and do the initial thing that we had. Yep. And that should work. No crash. Okay. Moment of truth. Pause that shit. Lower the volume. Oh, good thing I did. Type shit. Like bro. Oh, whoops. Allow. Hello, farmer. You walked into me killing myself because I hate audio programming, dude. I hate it. I hate it. I hate it. I hate it. Well, at least this is populated now, which is good. That means we actually have something, but then why? Why? Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Just for testing purposes. Because maybe it already accounts for that. Never mind. I hate my life, I hate my life, I hate my life, I hate my life. We're gonna get this working, I don't care. Because, like, we have to. We just have to. It's in my blood. Still. Does total PCM frame count include the channels? Like... Like, right, okay, but... Can open file. Wait. No, it is this. Wait, this is just an older version. What am I doing? I want the actual Dr. Wave. There you go. This. Right, so you do need to include the channels. Figured. This is hurting me. We're gonna get this to work, guys. We're gonna get this to work, surely. Yeah, maybe it is desperation-driven developments. Desperation-driven development. Yep, definitely is. Sure is. What am I even doing? I need to focus. I need to focus. So I can read the PCM frames, right? Or read raw, which probably a bad idea. Oh my god. It's like, dude, surely, like, it's not that hard to just get it to work. Like, please. One thing I'm going to do, though, is I'm just going to, like, start at the beginning so that at least it crashes immediately. So I'm probably going to regret it because it's going to destroy my ears, but, you know, it's whatever. We've had worse days. So yes, instant crash immediately, because it's just so fun and whimsy. Why is it even like a raw bytes? Size of the audio data buffer in bytes. Yep. Like it has to be this, surely. Euro, tap. What about direct sound? Sample. Oof. Okay, my eyes. It's fine. You might be interested in using voice API to fetch your output device's output format properties. Please don't work. Thank God. Okay. Because this will just use defaults, if I remember correctly. Just switch to OpenAL. Nah, I'm a Sigma. Sorry, my guy. I'm just a Sigma here. Also, OpenAL is like, I'm not a fan. FMod is nice, but I don't know. I just want to make this work, and I will make this work. I do not care. I will make this work. I don't care. I don't care. Like, surely, like... The thing is that, like, it looks good. Like, is it because this should be wave format EX? I doubt it, but it would be kind of funny. It still crashes. I'll get it to work, I don't care. It's those moments on stream where I struggle that shows the true nature of programming. It's death and despair and suicide. But at least, you know, it's good that we actually read something. But now we just gotta figure out what the fuck is going on. You know, what if I just got rid of this? Just for funsies. Just because it's not doing anything, actually. It's completely useless. The worst part is that sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't. I don't understand why. But hey, at least we read something, which is nice. I guess. Because like this is probably exported.
One step forward, one step back. Everybody knows how to clap, clap, clap.
Well then, why? Samples per second. Let's just check the data again because we can never be too sure. Audio bytes, right? Audio data. Then there's the actual audio data, which seems to be right. I think. I wouldn't know. I'm no audio genius. But I mean, this looks right, I guess. I mean, the fact we're getting something is already good. Now as for this. Formats, channels, samples per second. Is someone looking at my fucking door? Hold on. I was hearing noises outside. Schizophrenia. Make it 48,000, just so that at least it's... it's completely, you know, clean and we know what it is. But like, I'm getting trolled, 100%. I'm getting trolled. It should be 0 PCM. Okay, my bad, gang. My bad. Why is he giving me a fucking score? What the fuck? I didn't ask you to rate me. I mean, I did. To be fair, I did. Do I have like a black theme? Cobalt, what is that? Ugh. The fuck is this? Midnight lights. Midnight deep. That's better. That's better. I don't have too low as we don't care about that. It's like it just hates me. It just hates me. I wonder how I even got it to work back home, back on my other projects. Jesus. And now hopefully it shouldn't complain. Unless... How big is this structure? 400s. Yeah, there you go, now it's good. Maybe it was just that, who knows? I wouldn't know. Like, it really just doesn't like it, but I don't understand why. Like, ideally, if I had the error message, it would be nice, but I don't. This is one hell of a debugging session, I'll tell you that. One hell of a fucking debugging session. Like, am I doing it in the wrong order or something? Like, because if it's empty, obviously it works. Which makes sense. So I guess my data is just wrong then, but... Still, I don't really understand. Let me go back to the actual example. Wait, how to play a song with XAudio2, there we go. Well, there you go. Fucking kill me, dudes. Fucking kill me. This is why. It's because this needs to stay alive. Still, oh, that's so dumb. That is so dumb. Oh my god, if it's this, I'm actually going to crash out. Please don't be this, like, please. Please don't be this, like, I will actually be so upset.
One back. Everybody knows how to clap, clap, clap. Good old times, we to miss you back. So we bring back that dap, dap, dap.
Check it out, 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 kun mä hittaa se kuues 2015. Check it out, 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 kun mä ja alla veekuttas kaikki on riidois.
Euro, dap, dap, dap.
Jaan ette muista eikä boomerit tajuu.
Euro, dap, dap, dap. Well, that works.
Tää on
Nice.
Team Burton ja Datmani paluu.
One step forward, one step back.
Well, thank you, MSDN. It was literally in the fucking docs. Well, guys, remember, don't be fucking stupid and read the docs. Oh my god, dude. Well, I guess it's a good time to try out all the different file formats, I guess. Though, before I do that, we should probably go back to Audacity and me crash out? Never. I never crash out. Let's redo all the things we had. And export properly. Export audio. FLAC. Exports. Export audio, then MP3. I wonder if I actually gained any. Yeah, it's less big. Okay, so now let's try. So the upper connect, so MP3.
One step forward.
Yep, okay, and FLAC. One step forward and one step back. Everybody knows how to clap, clap, clap.
Good old times, we to miss you back. So we bring back that dap, dap, dap.
Check it out, check it out.
Oh, nice. Okay. Good. Well, it works. How nice. We'll only keep the MP3 version for now, but it's good that it works. It's very, very nice, and I'm very happy. Fuck this. Anyway. Yep. So I guess that's good to know. As for, so what did I say I wanted to do? Yeah, so yoink, yoink, yoink. Nice. Okay. Well, honestly, pretty long stream already. I think we should probably stop there, and we'll continue audio, graphics, or whatever. Not tomorrow, because tomorrow I'm going to a Smash Bros tournament, but the day after. Unless I stream tomorrow morning, that would mean I would like have to wake up at like fucking 5 a.m. So yeah, well we won't do that. XAudio2 setup and play sounds. Git push. Yeah, nice. And yeah. God, that is so satisfying though. And we should maybe write our little plan for audio. So add full audio to asset manager. Add audio categories. Audio engine system ? Then sub mix voices. Voice equalizer. Like, I guess not equalizer, voice volume management. And then look into spatialization. And finally, sound streaming. And probably looping. There you go. Yeah, that should be enough, honestly, for the audio system, I reckon. Maybe, ray tracing using physics? Well, just add this. Wait, one thing, I need to increment the day count to 15. And there you go. We are good, finally. Well, on this note, I have work tomorrow at 9:30 a.m, so I will go to bed. But it was fun coding with you guys. I'm glad I did have some people tonight. Legitimately, like, I don't know why I do gaming, because apparently gaming flops as fuck. Everyone's here for coding. One thing that I will say though, I did buy a capture card, which means that I will play Death Stranding 2 on my PS5 and will stream it on Twitch on the 26th of June. So be prepared for that. Be prepared for that. Yeah, that's about it. Yeah, on that note, I'm gonna leave you guys, and I'll see you guys, I guess, the day after tomorrow. Alright, bye bye.